Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have a new coverage initiation. Our analysts initiate viewpoint coverage on Gati Limited with a positive view and expect an upside of 25% considering strong earnings growth led by a turnaround and discounted relative valuation. Gati is embarking on a high earnings growth path post its acquisition by All Cargo Logistics. The divestment of unrelated business and sale of non-core assets would help company focus on core businesses. Gati eyes a net cash surplus by FY 2023 versus a highly leveraged balance sheet in FY 2020. This would be through divestment of key subsidiaries, non-core asset sale and improvement in OCFs. Company eyes double-digit revenue growth with operating margin reverting to 10.5 to 11% over next 2 years. The focus is regaining lost market share with asset-light capacity expansion. Next is L&T Infotech result update. Our analysts retain buy on L&T Infotech with an unchanged price target of Rs 4,800. This is well placed to report revenue growth in the leadership quadrant in FY 2022. Quarter 1 of FY 22 revenue growth has beat expectation led by broad-based demand across verticals while operating profitability lagged our estimates owing to wage revision. The management remained confident of clocking top quartile revenue growth in the industries in FY 2022 led by ramp-up of previous deals, strong large account management, addition of new logos, traction for its cloud and data business, strong digital competencies and rising spend on digital transformation. Larsen & Toubro Infotech is expected to deliver strong revenue growth in the medium term, led by its end-to-end capabilities in core modernization, deep relationship with top accounts, higher cloud adoption, and strong sales and marketing practices. We also have Tata Elxsi's result update. Analysts retain buy on Tata Elxsi with a revised price target of Rs 5,000. Tata Elxsi's revenue is set to grow at twice the industry's average. Margin profile is superior and company has differentiated technological capabilities. Growth momentum is likely to continue given a strong order book, robust deal pipeline, improving deal size, presence in high growth verticals, and shift to ER&D budgets towards digital engineering. We believe Tata Elxsi's growth is likely to remain strong in the coming years as it focuses on high growth sectors and emerging technology areas where the client allocates a higher budget. Tata Elxsi's USD revenue and earnings are likely to post a CAGR of 24% and 26% respectively over FY 2021 to FY 2024 earnings estimate. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.